No, I got something.
All right, log it in.
Nice.
All right, we're gonna go up.
There you go. Good. Fast and strong. I love it, sir. You're going bad, mofo. Yeah. Thanks. Squat all day.
You get. There you go. One at a time.
Love that, Sarah.
There you go. There you go. That's 90 for a triple.
All right, 110. She weighs 63. Real tight, lock it in. Let's get this man, come on. Come up hard, come up hard, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah! Is that... And by the way, look at those shoes. Not weightlifting shoes. Squishy, squishy shoes. That's amazing. Oh, man. 95. Good. Drive it. Yep. Let's get another one. Come on. Drive that. Come on. You got it, Mary. Woo! I love that. Come on. Yeah, you're strong. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And 5. Right. You fucking rock. That's a PR.
What? Here, you just take it. I did almost take it in the face.
Mary.
I apologize for that. That was unintentional.
Yeah.
One at a time.
All right, lock it in real tight. Come on. Yes.
There you go. Big breath.
Yes. I love that. Good, good. You're strong. Let's do it. Camera's behind you, so don't worry about it. Drive. Yes. PR.